Hello, I'm Jeff Kolzak, Product Marketing Manager with the 8-Bit Products Division. This is a quick video to show you how to develop source code using the Configurable Logic Cell tool, or CLC tool. The CLC configuration tool is a GUI that can be used to develop application code for the CLC module found on the PIC10F32X and PIC16F150X product families. This is a handy tool that allows a more visual way of setting up application and development examples for the CLC module. The tool is easy to install and execute. Once installed, a simple double click on the desktop icon opens up the GUI. Once open, you'll get a logical representation of the CLC module itself. I'll go ahead and go to full screen. Number of different menu selection options here. We've got the device menu here that allows you to select which product you want to configure the CLC module on. So as mentioned, there's the PIC10F32X products and the PIC16F150X products. So we can go ahead and make a selection here, and we'll choose the 1507. The 1507 itself has two CLC modules, so you can choose either one to select the configuration. We'll choose the first one, CLC1. Off to the left here, you have your data inputs. For the PIC10F32X product, you have up to 8 different inputs to select from. Everything from PWMs to timers to oscillators. And on the 150X family, the PIC16F150X, you have up to 16 inputs. Now the next stage, we have inputs to the next level of gates, so the data inputs. We can choose to connect them, invert the inputs, or leave them disconnected. We'll go ahead and connect a few. In the case that you leave all the inputs disconnected, the output of this gate will be a 0. For the outputs, you can leave them as is, or you can actually invert the outputs. So for those outputs that have no inputs connected, as I said, the default is 0, but you can invert that to become a 1. The next section, the digital logic blocks. Here you have a number of different digital logic blocks to select from. The AND OR gate option, the OR XOR option, 4 input AND gate, the SR latch, D flip-flop, OR gate input to a D flip-flop, a JK latch, and a D latch. So a number of different options here. The last option for configuration is the output of the module itself. You can leave as is, or you can invert the output. Some other features, the file menu allows you to save this configuration as assembly code or C code, or you can load code that you've previously worked on. Some other features, for those devices that have multiple CLC modules, you can copy this configuration to another CLC module on the device. You also have the ability to create a rising edge interrupt, a falling edge interrupt, enable the output, or enable the CLC module itself. One other thing here is you can comment the function or features that you're incorporating in this module, and those comments will be included in the C or assembly language code that you create. You can find more information on this tool at microchip.com/8bit.